Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure nearby sites of grace reveal the map and you can warp to a safe anchor. Once done, warp to the closest major grace. Do not waste time running from the main hub. You will then head toward the northwest coastline, keeping torrent ready for quick jumps across gaps. Move steadily. You want to cross minor choke points without combat. This gets you into position to trigger the Nokstella map reveal steps immediately. From the approach, follow the coastline markers and watch for a narrow cave entrance marked by a small light source. You need to clear or stealth past elite enemies. Do this because combat can block scripted map events. Once at the sealed cavern, interact with the obvious statue or pressure plate. This specific trigger usually unlocks interior access. Make sure to check shadowed alcoves for levers. After interacting, backtrack slightly to allow the world state. Enter the interior chamber and proceed to the central platform where the glowing map fragment sits. You must interact directly to add Nokstella to your in-game map. You should hear a distinct audio cue and see the map update. If you do not, immediately reload to the nearest site of grace and repeat the trigger interaction, because scripted flags sometimes fail. If problems persist, clear nearby hostiles and try the sequence again in the same order. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.